Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to mute call notifications for a specific WhatsApp group for 1 week. Whether you're looking to reduce distractions or just take a break from constant group calls, this quick guide will help you manage your notifications with ease. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure all features are available. Next, navigate to the group you want to mute. Once you've found it, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group's information page, where you can access various settings related to that group. Now, scroll down and look for the Notifications section. Tap on it to open the notification settings specific to this group. Under the Call Notifications section, you'll see an option labeled Mute Notifications. Toggle this option on. Once enabled, a menu will appear asking you to select how long you'd like to mute the notifications. Choose 1 week from the options provided, and that's it. You've successfully muted call notifications for this WhatsApp group for 1 week. You'll still receive messages and other updates from the group, but calls won't interrupt your day. If you ever want to unmute the group or adjust these settings again, simply follow these same steps and toggle off the mute option. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tips and tricks for managing your WhatsApp experience effectively.